Hey guys, today we are making this luscious strawberry curd. It is so simple to make. It only uses a few ingredients and takes about 5 to 6 minutes to cook up on the stove. It takes less than 30 minutes to thicken, so it will be ready in no time. Our version, of course, is gluten-free, eggless, nut-free, and it can be made dairy-free with a few tweaks. So come on, let's make it. We're going to start off by taking granulated sugar, cornstarch, kosher salt, and we're going to just mix it together. Next, we're going to juice our lemons. We need about 2 tablespoons of juice total. So we're gonna add in our milk, some water, and then those 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And then mix everything together until the cornstarch is no longer chunky. Add in the strawberries. You can use fresh or frozen as long as it's 2 cups. Cook on medium heat, bring it to a boil. Once boiling, cook another 30 seconds, then remove from the heat. Add in 2 tablespoons of butter and strain it through a mesh colander or a sieve. And then that is it. We're going to stir it and let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes at room temperature until it is cool. Once cool, we are going to pop it in the fridge for at least another 30 minutes. It is so simple to make and so delicious. Hope you guys love it. Thanks so much for watching. You can find the complete recipe with step-by-step photos on the blog Lean and Gray Fare, which I have linked below. And for more decadent, gluten-free, nut-free, and egg-free recipes, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more recipe videos just like this one, make sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss a single recipe. Thanks so much.